Hello everyone, welcome to class. In today's topic, we are going to discuss about reflexive pronouns. There are a lot of materials that you can find on YouTube on reflexive pronouns. However, I'm going to prepare this video so you can refer to our class material. What is a reflexive pronoun? Here is an example. I was careless when peeling the potato and I cut myself. Here you see I and myself are actually the same person. But you put myself there, it means I did it to myself. I did it to me. I cut myself. So the reflexive pronoun myself is important in this sentence as part of the meaning in this sentence. Another example, I don't believe what she told me. She said my uncle has a horse with 2 heads. So I'm going to see it myself. And here myself is actually not very important in this sentence. But the function of myself there is to give some emphasis, a stronger meaning. I want to see it myself. I want to see it with my own eyes. So in here you see 2 functions of reflexive pronouns. One is it is part of the sentence. It is part of the meaning in the sentence. And secondly is to give emphasis, to make the meaning stronger. Before you practice with the subject pronouns and reflexive pronouns, let us read the rules first. Rule A. Reflexive pronouns are commonly used to talk about actions where the subject and objects are the same. The reflexive pronoun is essential to the grammar of the sentence. For example, do you ever lose yourself reading a book? If you delete the word yourself there, the sentence does not have a full meaning. So yourself has to be there as part of the sentence, as part of the meaning of this sentence. Rule B. Reflexive pronouns can also be used for emphasis when we mean that person or thing, nobody or nothing else. The reflexive pronoun is not essential to the grammar of the sentence, but is added for emphasis. For example, before hypnotherapy, I had tried to lose weight myself. This myself is an emphasis that I tried it. Actually, if you want to delete myself here in this sentence, it still makes sense. Before hypnotherapy, I had tried to lose weight. But you want to give an emphasis there, so you add myself. Now in exercise 6, because we have read the rules together, match each example below with its rule in the active grammar box. You can try. How was it? I hope you did really well. Now exercise 7. Complete these sentences with a reflexive pronoun or an object pronoun. We learned about subject pronoun and reflexive pronoun. Now there is object pronoun. If you are not sure what object pronouns are, here is a list of object pronouns. You can do this exercise in the assignment that I send you. The next thing, I would like you to listen to 3 people talking about hypnosis. Mark the statement that best summarizes each person's opinion. One statement cannot be used.
Unit 10, page 118, track 21. 1.
How do you feel about hypnotherapy?
Well, I know some people swear by it, so that's something. It sounds as if a lot of patients leave pretty satisfied. I don't really get how it works, and I don't think it would really work on someone like me, but that doesn't matter. If it works for some people, I'm in favor of it. I wouldn't try it myself, though.
2.
What are your views on hypnosis? Do you have any strong feelings about it?
Yes, I do. I've always believed that those people are just good showmen. To my mind, it's all a bunch of nonsense. Those hypnotherapists are just good at being nice to people, so they're a little bit happier at the time. But I have my doubts about how much it can actually do for people in the long run. I'm skeptical that hypnosis has any effect at all, and I'm against people paying for a service and getting nothing real in return. I mean, I doubt hypnosis actually works for anyone.
3.
What do you think of hypnosis?
Yeah, I'm a big believer myself. I have to say that when I went for a session with a hypnotist, it was fantastic. It saved my job. I mean, I was able to deal with the stress of my job much better after that, and I'm convinced that it was the hypnosis that helped me. In fact, if I hadn't gone to the session, I'm sure I would have had to quit by now.
In exercise 10, you can listen again and complete these verb phrases about belief and opinion. Look at the audio script in the video as well if you want to check your answers. You can find this exercise in my assignment. Alright, that's all for now. I hope you learned something useful. I will see you again in my next video.